Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the JBL Tune 770NC with the Q45. So let's look here on the specs. So when we're going to look here on the weight, the JBL Tune is better only because with the Soundcore Space Q45 you can have 300 grams. With the JBL Tune it's only 256 grams. Amazing. Driver size, same. The frequency response is also same. Impedance, I think it's similar. Now the sound technology for the Soundcore Q45 is better. You're going to have more advanced sound technology. They both offer noise cancelling. I can't really say which one is better. Then you're gonna have the battery life is really similar. So again, then the Soundcore Q45 got better quick charge, same Bluetooth, same multi-connection, same voice assistant, and then you can possibly have more additional features with the Q45 comparing to the JBL Tune. So that's pretty much it about it. Now, when we're going to look here and summarize it, the only disadvantage of Q45 is that it got more weight comparing to JBL Tune. Other than that, when you look here on the sound technology, the battery life, the quick charge, then also the additional features, you can go with the Q45. But if you're a fan of JBL and you would go with the JBL Tune 770NC, you're not going to make a mistake based on the specs. So thank you very much for your watching and have a great day and goodbye.